Sorry, guys, I got cut off. I was so enthusiastic talking about this course that I forgot there's a 5 minute time limit. Okay, anyway, as I was saying, so as I've got more used to how to best design this course, the second unit I think is a lot more user friendly. So when you get into the how I can stay healthy unit, as well as the stuff from the homepage, the stuff that's on the right hand side, click on any of these links. So right now there are three sub modules open. So living a healthy lifestyle. What you'll now see is when you click on that, I've got an instruction page breaking down what you need to do. So it's right there. Rather than a Google Doc you have to open, the information is right there. So for living a healthy lifestyle, the journals explain why a teen's more likely to take part in risky behavior, respond to that, put it in your portfolio, and then the inquiry-based learning. So that will go in the Dropbox. You find an article about being a teenager, you analyze it using what's called the CRAP test, and you submit that document to the classroom. Sorry, to the Dropbox, I should say. And then I've obviously broken down here again further information about the assignment, what each of those letters stands for in that acronym. So that was living a healthy lifestyle assignment. So each one of those is broken down now. And again, you click on the content, you're supposed to read through this, watch these videos. You don't have to watch all of them. That one's nice, but you don't have to watch it. Again, I've cut out a bunch of the crap from that. Just kept the stuff you need to know in this. Okay, and there's the journal there that you need to do. And then further down will be the assignment, and there it is. So again, trying to reduce these content pages so you're not overwhelmed with all the information and trying to break it down as simply as possible. Okay, the other thing we should talk about is the portfolio. So I'm just going to go back to viewing as a teacher for a second because as a student I can't see portfolio for some reason. Okay, so over here is your portfolio. If you click on that, and I won't do that right now because it bring up all your names. I want to kind of respect your privacy. But if I click on that, that will show me all the students in my class and their portfolios. If you click on it, you'll just see your portfolio. And if you go into that, it'll say add to your portfolio or submit work. So you go into that, and that's where you put your journals. There's a couple of other things here and there you put in, but for the most part, it's for your journals. Now, I try to be consistent in this course. Each submodule, I try to make one assignment and one journal. There are a couple of exceptions. This week was an exception. I'll talk more about that in the next video. But generally speaking, that's how it works. One Dropbox assignment, which I mark and give you a grade, and one journal, which forms part of your final summative, culminating work that you'll submit as a portfolio essentially at the end of the course. So you put all your journals in the portfolio. That can be a Google Doc, it can be something else, you can take a screenshot of it. Everyone's doing things slightly differently. As long as you find a way to upload your files into that portfolio, that's where that goes. Okay, so just a very quick recap, guys. Content, that's where all the submodules are. You click through these, you open the ones up. So again, as a student, you currently see the two that we're working on. Let's go back into content. Who am I? How can I stay healthy? Those are the two we've worked through. We did 5 sub-modules in the first unit. We've currently done 3 in the next. That's where you should be at. And essentially, it's one Dropbox assignment and one journal for most of those. There was no journal for the unit summative. And for this week, there will be no Dropbox assignment for healthy eating, but I'll explain that more in the next video. I hope this helps. I know most of you get this, but I just wanted to send that out just to help one or two of you that are newer to this course or haven't checked in a while. The only other thing to check is your emails. I do sometimes send emails, although I've started to try and send it through the regular UG Cloud account. But check your emails. Sometimes I send them through here, and I know from the kids that were in my class, in the classroom, they just ignored this. They didn't know it was there. Click on this, and notifications here. That will tell you if there's anything interesting going on, if I've posted something new. So check these two things as well. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good day. Email me with any questions.